G'day guys, Davo here. Today I'm going to show you how to cook bacon and eggs in the air fryer. It's heaps more easy than cooking in a pan with way less cleaning up, so let's get into it. So here's some bacon that I've already opened up. I'm going to chuck the whole pack in because no one generally ever cooks half a pack at a time. I'm just going to make sure that I come back and give it some attention about halfway through. Pop this in, give it 190 degrees for 9 minutes. And come back and check it at about 4 to 5 minutes, give it a bit of a flip. Alright, so we're halfway through and I'm just going to go and give these a bit of a flip around. Maybe shake the basket up a little bit and leave it in till for the rest of the 4 minutes. Okay, so now that bacon's done and it's nice and crispy, I'm actually going to put this in a bowl and use a plate the right size to cover it, like so. Hopefully keep a bit of the warmth in and just put that aside. Alright, so I've got this little air fryer tin here that I got off Amazon. I'm just going to use some butter to grease this up. If you don't use enough, you'll find that it's just going to melt into the pan and you've just wasted an egg. Well, you don't really waste it, you can get it out. I'm going to go ahead and crack my egg in. Pop it in. Now I'm going to give this thing 160 degrees for 5 minutes, and hopefully she's all good. Alright, she's done now. Now I'm going to get the basket out. Okay guys, so now you know how to cook your bacon and eggs in the air fryer. I did learn a couple of things whilst doing this. It's been a while since I've tried doing this. One of the things that I did find most important is that you need to really heavily grease your baking pan or whatever you're cooking it in, if that be a ramekin or whatever it is that's oven proof and you can put in your air fryer. If you don't give it enough grease, you'll find that the yolk sticks to the bottom and the egg falls apart when you're pulling it out. But yeah, this one came amazing. I think you should give it a go at home.